Are pouring in about what the tax bill means for you and your family.
This guy's been busy. CPA and founder of Geltrude and Company, Dan Geltrude, once again joins us with some of the answers to your questions. First up, Dan, we got an email from Phil who asks, how will long-term capital gains be taxed?
No change there. So the percentage that was being used before will continue for long-term capital gains. That was one of the ones I was hoping that they would drop down, because lowering the capital gains rate has been known to stimulate economic growth. They decided to leave it alone. Probably gets that label of tax break for the rich. That's why they stayed away from it.
You're probably
Interesting.
right.
Interesting, the things that actually drive the sausage making of the bill, that and this, how CBO scores it.
Messaging.
That's right, exactly. Email from Michael that sent in to us. It said, will I still be able to write off the interest I paid on my mortgage?
So your existing mortgage, no change. The changes will take effect starting next year with any new mortgage. Right now, deductibility up to $1 million. That is going to be lowered to $750,000, which was an exact meet in the middle between the House and the Senate bill.
Now, this is from Jason. He says, what's the bottom line? As a middle-class American, will my take-home pay increase with these cuts?
Really hard to say the bottom line, but if I had to make a call, middle class are going to get a tax cut, specifically if they are not itemizing, because those rates are coming down. They're going to have more money in their pocket in 2018.
Standard deduction still doubled in this compromise bill?
Yes, it is.
One of the most unfair taxes, I feel, is the so-called death tax. And Alan emailed us, what happened to the estate taxes in the current bill?
Death and taxes not going away, in this case, married together, right? So what they've done is currently, if you're, for an individual, little over $5 million, $10 million if you're married in terms of not paying tax up to that amount of assets. They are doubling that. So we're going to go to about $11 million and $22 million.
That's
so
a lot.
Significant raise with the before the death tax kicks in.
Interesting. We got an email from Stacy. She wrote, my husband travels for his job. Will the new tax law affect current travel expense deductions?
Travel expenses will remain deductible. So in this particular case, if he is being reimbursed for his travel expenses by the company will still be able to deduct those. However, meals and entertainment going away. That's a big one. No more deductions for that.
Really?
Got to live it up between now and the end of the year.
Party it up for Christmas.
Got a few weeks.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thanks, Dan.
Good stuff.
All right, coming up, they're here to